So the next question you can see, for the clipper circuit shown in the figure, the first breakpoint occurs when Vi is at, so this is the circuit. Okay, so this is basically the circuit. You have two diodes, one D1 and D2. Okay, so first step is you have to remove the diode, okay, and measure the open circuit voltage across the diodes. Okay, so you can see over here it is exactly 10 volt because no current flowing through the resistor 20k, so it is 10 volt over here and it is 2.5 volt over here. Okay, so this diode will be on initially. Okay, and let us assume initially the input voltage is 0. Okay, so slowly we will increase this input voltage. So initially when this input voltage is 0, so this is this diode will be on. Okay, so you can connect this to line, okay, because it is ideal diode. Okay, now you can measure the voltage over here, means on this line. Okay, the same voltage. So what is the voltage? Let's say Vx. So Vx, basically Vx equals to simply 10k into 10k into 10 volt, 10k into 10 volt plus 20k into 2.5 volt, 20k into 2.5 volt divided by 10 plus 20. Okay, 10 plus 20. Basically this formula. Okay, you have two resistor R1, R2 and two voltage source V1 and V2. So the voltage over here Vx is equal to R1 V2 plus R2 V1 divided by R1 plus R2. So this formula basically. Okay, so you can calculate. This is basically your 5 volt. Okay, so this is 5 volt. Now you can see, you can plot the transfer characteristics basically. So here you have V in, here you have V out. Okay, so when it is 0, that time output voltage is basically the 5 volt. Okay, 5 volt. When V in is less than 0, then also this diode is completely off. Okay, this diode will be on when this potential over here is more than 5 volt, because here it is 5 volt. Okay, so this diode will be on when potential over here it is more than 5 volt. So here 5 volt. So V less than 0, it is also output is 5 volt. Okay, so when this input voltage is more than 5 volt, that time this diode will be on. So you can connect this diode. Okay, now you can see, for the input voltage more than 5 volt, the input, this input is directly connected to the output. Okay, so irrespective of all these resistor voltage sources, irrespective of all these components, the output will be exactly the input. So it will be a linear curve. Okay, it will be linear curve, it's a simply line with the angle of 45 degree. Okay, because it's a direct relationship. Output is basically the input. Okay, so the first breakpoint is basically at 5 volt. Okay, so option B is correct. So you can see the question, the option B is correct. Okay, thank you.